What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you how to separate or extract numbers from the text in Excel without using formula like what I have done here. So first of all, let me delete this all. Let me copy. Now let's go to this empty cell. Let's say number, and let's write down the same number 206712. So we will write down the same number on this first cell, and then what we will do, we just click on this. Let's go to home, and then let's go to fill, and let's click on flash fill. So we have all the numbers here separated from the text. In the same way we will make with the text also. We will go here, we will write the first one, Green Palace National Coffer. So we have written this one, and then what we will do, we will hover on this, we will go to fill, flash fill. So this is how we separate the text and then the number. It's very simple.